Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Game of Thrones Kingsroad stuck on loading screen, black screen freeze, crashing, and not opening issues on Android and iOS devices. Follow these simple step-by-step methods to get your game working again. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Restart your phone. Completely close the game. Restart your Android or iPhone. Launch the game again. This fixes temporary RAM and loading glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router if using Wi-Fi. Avoid weak or unstable internet. Loading screen freezes are often caused by server connection problems. Step 3. Update the game. Go to play.google.com, apple.com. Search for Game of Thrones Kingsroad and install the latest update. Old versions may cause black screen and startup issues. Step 4. Clear cache. Android. Open Settings. Apps. Game of Thrones Kingsroad. Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data first unless needed. Corrupted cache files can stop the game from loading properly. Step 5. Free up storage space. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes free storage. Enough free RAM. Delete unused apps, videos, or screenshots if storage is full. Step 6. Disable VPN or DNS apps. Turn off VPN apps. Disable ad blockers. Disable private DNS temporarily. Some players experience loading issues because these apps block the game server connection. Step 7. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall the game. Restart your phone. Reinstall the latest version. This downloads fresh game files and fixes corrupted installations. Step 8. Wait for server fixes. Sometimes the issue is from the game servers. Check official updates from or wait for a new patch update. Netmarble.com. Some users reported loading and startup bugs after updates. Last step 9. 4. Stop background apps. Close heavy games, screen recorders, booster apps, background downloads. Too many background apps can cause freezing and black screen problems. That's it. Hopefully your Game of Thrones Kingsroad loading screen or black screen issue is fixed now. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming fixes, tutorials, and mobile gameplay videos.